I am Igor and welcome to my presentation. The place I chose in nature is in Ama, Copenhagen, and as you can see, it's an open and flat area with a small fireplace in the right, and there is also a small shelter and a structure to protect the fire from the wind. In addition, there are many small trees in the surroundings where children can play, and some of them are taller, but in average they are very low, so they are quite safe. You can find tall dry grass as well as thousands of dry leaves, and however, although it may seem very dry, there are some wet trunks when it rains. So you can find some moss in the wet trunks, and you can also find many sticks all over the floor. And as far as the animals are concerned, you can easily find some snails, and you can hear and find also more birds. And I think it's a safe place because I couldn't find any snakes or any dangerous animals. And apart from that, there are many things small children could do in this natural environment. For example, they could play hide and seek in these structures, build more shelters, or play a lot of symbolic games. For example, I found this branch which could easily symbolize a slingshot. And another thing that children could do here is dig holes in the mud with sticks, or do tunnels, or maybe just play with the mud and give it shape. Children could also climb the trees according to their skill level. They could move in the lower branches, as I am doing in this tree, and work on their balance. And if they want to make it a little bit more challenging, they could just also try to climb up the tree and get a little bit higher, even though it's not very high, so it's a safe tree. And in addition, they could also hang and swing from the big branches to strengthen their muscles, or they could also hang upside down and see the world from a totally different perspective. And the activity I will do here is a small bonfire, and the target group will be 5 to 6 year old children, because fire is a very dangerous element, and maybe the older kids will understand that better. So first of all, we will search for dry grass and dry sticks of different sizes, making different piles according to their size. And afterwards, we will place the dry grass and the smallest sticks to start the fire. And when it caught fire, we will place the bigger sticks, making a small pyramid. And then progressively we will keep adding some thicker sticks until we will have created a proper fire. Apart from the pyramid structure, we could also try to make the pagoda structure, so that children learn how to do different structures for fire. Finally, children will benefit many things from doing this activity. First of all, they will improve their attention, because they will need to focus when searching for dry branches and selecting the small, medium and bigger ones. Secondly, they will get the knowledge about how to create a fire, because they will be participating in the process of adding sticks to the fire. Besides, they will understand that fire is a very dangerous element, so they will learn also how to be safe and being relaxed close to the fire, being cautious when they needed to add a stick, and then stepping back to a safe distance. Finally, during this activity, children will develop a sense of community and also develop their social skills, since we will be all together participating in the same activity and also sharing the fire.